Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App card not activating. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find Cash App. Now let me just assume this Snapchat is Cash App, and once you do that, here you'll be finding two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Cash App and then tap on the Cash App to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.